Hey, and welcome to a new video. This is our New Year's video. It's now 2020, and over the last few weeks I have been trialing a brand new experiment that if you was to do yourself, you would not only be leaner, fitter, lose weight, and also you would become a better trader for it. So we're going to be getting into that in just a moment in more detail. But basically, even if you were a complete new novice trader, or even if you're already profitable and doing quite well for yourself, you could use this and still become a far better trader than you are today. And to top it all off, it's actually pretty much free. It costs pennies or just a couple of dollars, and going to be so much better for you than if you're going to invest in some sort of new fancy stock signals or, some super expensive trading bot software or something like that. If you do this, that what I've been doing now for the last couple of weeks, if you were to implement this over, say, the next 6 months, and of course this is the 1st of January, it's a great time to start setting some new goals for the year. And if you were to incorporate this into your own life in just under 1 hour per day, that is all that it takes, under an hour per day, you'll definitely become a better trader after 6 months, and also get those other benefits as well, losing weight and all the rest of it. So we're going to get into that in just a minute. But before we do, I just want to remind you that this is the giveaway day. So today we're going to be giving away 5 of these brand new cryptocurrency calendars for 2020, and inside these calendars you are going to find lots of pictures of crypto type content, plus also in there, I don't know if you can see this, but there's also lots of events in there, so cryptocurrency events and coin halvings and all that type of stuff in there each month, which is going to be very, very useful to you if you are a cryptocurrency trader, which I should imagine watching this video on this channel you most likely are. So you're going to be getting one of those, plus also our periodic table of cryptocurrencies poster. So these are posters where every single year, just like we just did here in 2020, we take all the prices at the very, very start of the year, and then we put it into these posters that we call the periodic table of cryptocurrency. That is the top 118 coins on CoinMarketCap at the very start of each year. So we've done this now for the last 3 years. So 2017, 2018, and 2019. 2020? No, forget 2017. 2018, 19, and 20. So there we go. You will be getting all of those things packaged up and sent off to you wherever you are in the world. So that's coming up. We're going to be doing that in just a moment. But first of all, before we do, I'm sorry, but I do have some very bad news for you all. Some very bad, sad news. Us here at Moocharoo Ninja, we are shutting up shop. Yes, we are closing down. So everything that you see here in the office is all going to go. So this is a new year, we're into new things, and everything we have here is going. We are moving on. Those of you that keep track of our chat over on Moocharoo Chat on our Telegram group, you can see that in the links in the description below this video. So if you're not already on Telegram, please do go click down on there and join us in the chat group. And some of you there no doubt remember me mentioning a couple of weeks ago about a leak in the office, and during some sort of rainstorm here in the UK, which is pretty normal for us here. I mean, it's always raining all the time, but we had a pretty bad storm, a lot of rain, and we had a bit of a leak here just a few feet over to my right, and we decided that our time here in this office has come to an end. So this is the very last video that you're ever going to see us do here in this office. We have been here for 2 years now, created over 150 YouTube videos, coded all of the tools for us and you, our Moocharoo Ninjas. Plus, in this office, we have packaged and delivered Master Ninja upgrade packs to over 650 Master Ninjas in over 190 countries all around the world. But now it is time for a change. And in the next video, we shall be in a whole new office, in a new location, in a new year, and ready for the new crypto season. Today is, of course, New Year's Day, which is a great time to jot down some little New Year's resolutions and make some plans for the year ahead. Now, most people out there, as we all know, will have plans to get fitter and to lose weight, and I'm no different. Maybe you're also the same. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, I just happened to stumble across something which will not just deliver all of that to you, but also make you a far, far better trader. As I'm sure you can imagine, I spend a lot of time on YouTube, and I stumbled across a video about a couple doing 10,000 steps per day. So they were using this type of thing here. This is a Garmin, Fitbit, whatever, one of these watches, and they were doing this purely for weight loss to see how much they could lose in a week or 2 weeks, whatever it was. And I thought, since I've got one of these, I'd never used it. It was just in the cupboard there. My wife had got it for a birthday once, and I just sort of left it there, I'll be honest. But I decided to get it out and start doing these 10,000 steps. What I did initially was just sort of find out how much I was doing. Probably recommend you do the same. Just do a week to see what you would generally do and gauge how much activity you need to do 10,000 steps. Now, it's not actually that much, to be honest. I would usually do about 3,000 steps. This would be my usual life these days, and I think as we get older we do tend to do a lot less. I'm sure maybe when you were younger you would be out running around, maybe doing some sports, walking to school or college or whatever, or maybe cycling, and then going out partying all night, walking home late in the evening. You'd have burned off maybe 20,000-30,000 steps a day easily. Today I actually do about 3,000. So I just sit down in the car, I sit down here in the office, and then I lay down in bed. You know, I don't do an awful lot. It's about 3,000 steps per day. So what I've been doing is going out in the evenings, just walking around aimlessly around the streets at night, and it does get pretty boring. I took my camera out for a bit just to take some photos, try and, you know, ease the boredom, and I ended up finding a much better solution. So this is what will help you the most. So you may remember a good few weeks ago I mentioned this book here. This is the Newmarket Wizards, Conversations with America's Top Traders. So this was the very first book which I decided to download from Amazon, and you just put it onto your phone, iPhone, Samsung, whatever you've got, and you just listen to it while you're out walking around. So you can see you can get this on an audiobook, and it costs 1 credit. So you don't have to pay the £12.21 there. You just pay £7.99 per month to Amazon for some sort of audiobooks contract thing, and they just take that every single month and they allow you 1 credit per month. So in a nutshell, you basically get 1 free audiobook per month. Now, it took me a couple of weeks to get through this book, and it was absolutely fantastic, and certainly a lot of those ideas from that book we're putting into new features which will be coming out in Moocharoo Ninja 2.0 later on this new year. And it doesn't stop there, because you don't just have to do 1 book, but you can just carry on, like I say, for maybe 6 months. And if we scroll down, we've got tons more videos, books here that you can listen to while you're out walking the streets at night, just getting in your 10,000 steps per day. As I say, it's not really a lot. We've got technical analysis books, one up on Wall Street, the Newmarket trading. This one here on technical analysis I've been considering getting as my next purchase. And there's just tons and tons and tons of books on trading. This, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This is the guy which actually taught Warren Buffett how to trade. So a very good book, no doubt. And there's just tons of stuff. Pitbull, I wouldn't mind listening to that one as well. And there's just so many books, guys, that you can spend your time, you could spend years, in fact, walking streets, listening to these books and getting better and better and better at trading and increasing your confidence, knowledge, and also experience all at the same time. But what you really need to do is not just listen, but maybe when you get back, jot down some notes, some really good ideas that you heard in the audiobook while you were out and about, just to make sure that it's not going in one ear and out the other. Okay, so you want to actually jot the stuff down, take note, and most importantly, use the information that you're getting from these books. Just for interest's sake, I'll let you know what I've been doing. So that was the first one, was Newmarket Wizards. I then went on and I listened to this book. This is Fake by Robert Kiyosaki, and it's not just about fake money, fake teachers and fake assets. It also goes into the sort of world economics, where we are right now, and for things like cryptocurrency, just how bad the financial system really is and what's been propping it up and how we got there, you know, through the 1950s, 60s, 70s, 80s, how it is that we got to where we are today, and just why it's all going to come tumbling down. So it's a very interesting book, very good read, full of loads of good facts and figures in there. It is a fantastic book, very easy to listen to. But right now, I'm currently walking my way through this book here. This is Dark Pools, The Rise of AI Trading Machines and the Looming Threat to Wall Street. Now, this book, again, would have set me back £11.43, but with this Amazon audiobook subscription thing, I think it's just $7.99 per month, and every single month you just download a new book. Now, for somebody who is actually building a auto trading bot system, this book is just absolutely phenomenal. I mean, not only did I learn about dark pools, which is something which is mentioned in that Rich Dad book Fake, which he suggests is kind of a bad thing, that Warren Buffett and a bunch of other investors use these dark pools for trading. However, after listening to this book and understanding exactly why dark pools in the markets have come about, it certainly makes a lot of sense. Plus, also understanding upfront some of the real downsides to automated trading bots and how they can completely ruin everything if you get it wrong. So really learning a lot listening to this book, and hopefully we should come out with a much better product at the end of the day when we launch Moocharoo Ninja 2.0. The date for that is, of course, in the crypto calendar. So you 5 guys getting that for free will know exactly when that is. And if you don't know, but would quite like to get one of these calendars for yourself and maybe the poster yourself as well, all you need to do is come along to the Moocharoo Ninja website and then hit that promo link up there. You'll come to this page eventually, where you just need to scroll down, and then you can just order this, and as it says there, free delivery worldwide. Obviously there's a Master Ninja discount on there. If you are a Master Ninja, you will get some money off, and you can order just the posters on their own, just the calendars on their own, or just get both of them like there, and it's basically just the cost of shipping for that. Anyway, that is all cool, but it's not going to make you a better trader. What will make you a better trader is getting hold of one of these here on Amazon. So this is the exact same one I've got. You can see there the lime green Garmin color. Currently it's £84 or about £85. Previously it was 169, is that? £169, and it's really good. It does lots of stuff. You can just sort of flick through looking at all different sorts of functions on there. I don't even understand exactly what it does, to be honest. It does a lot more than I think. One of the things I do think is pretty cool though is the master trading signals which come through on the Telegram group. You will also get those coming through on your watch as well, so that is particularly good when your phone isn't in your pocket and you wouldn't normally notice it. Just comes through on the watch, and then you know to check the phone and see what's going on. So that I found incredibly useful. So these I'd very much recommend, and there is a link down below in the description, and if you were to click on that and buy this, or you might want to buy the pink one if that's something that you're into, then obviously we do get a small commission from Amazon for that, like 7% or something. We're not going to become millionaires like that, but it's just nice as a little thank you if you're going to use that link. That'd be great. And that goes the same with these other links as well for Newmarket Wizards, Fake, and Dark Pools, which is an excellent book if you're into auto trading bots and you want to know more about that. Alright, so now it is time for the fun stuff. To end our time here in the Moocharoo Ninja office, it's time to do the giveaway and pick those 5 winners. So here we are, we have the video YouTube random comment picker here, and we've put in our initial video. We're going to pick 3 winners very quickly. And what we've got is a Utes. He says, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. Tezos has legs, and MCO plus Crow are my picks for 2020. All good coins there. In fact, I'll be honest, Tezos, that was a coin which very almost ended up in that top 5. But for reasons maybe I'll go into in another video, it didn't actually quite make it. But I do like that project for sure. It's got a lot of potential. And by the way, the winner here, this Utes, he could be absolutely anybody. So for all of you guys that win today, what you're going to need to do to prevent just anybody saying, oh yeah, Utes, that's me, okay, so that we know and can confirm that it is actually you, what you need to do, head over to the Telegram group. Once in there, you will find a comment from me. All you need to do is just right click on my face on the profile picture and message me. And you'll just message me, let me know who you are, that you're a winner, and you want a code sent to you so that you can then verify your account and claim your prize. From there, I'll just send you the code, and in this video, right now, this video that you're watching, all you need to do is put in any comment you want, which starts with the code that I'm going to send you, so that I know that Utes there that commented that is going to be the guy that I'm talking to on Telegram, and then from there I can just get your address and send the stuff out to you wherever you are in the world. So congratulations to Utes, well done, you are the first winner. And let's just reset this now and see who winner number 2 is going to be in the random picker. Here we go, we've got Evans Kirimi, however you say that, apologies. Thanks for gathering this together. I'm almost certain that Link is a sure bet. Me too, absolutely. Link is an awesome coin, so congratulations to you. And coming up with number 3 now, who is winner number 3 going to be? Is Sergeant Crypto. What a great name. I like that. It's very cool. He's a Secret Crypto LOL. So he's laughing there. Secret Crypto. I'm not sure that was Link, right? So don't know why he's laughing. It was cool. Anyway, let's move on now to the other video. So this is the last video that we did where we're going to pick another 2 winners here. This was the This Is Your Time, $4,000 to $1 million in 2020 with the Bitcoin halving. If you've not seen either of these last 2 videos, there shall be a link up here. I suggest you go watch them because they are a couple of crackers. They really are, and they've had really good traction here on YouTube, getting a lot of views, and for very good reason. That is the 5 cryptos which I've picked for doing really well using all the tools we have here on Moocharoo Ninja, and why I think they should do really well, plus also just what you should be investing in as we come into this Bitcoin halving and what you can be expecting from that. You can really change your life on this next Bitcoin halving. So let's pick the next winner. The next winner is The Rock. Oh, I wonder if that is actually The Rock. Doubt it. He says, this is a comment to somebody else, Looter, the Fin, that website, market do you use? I've no idea what that is about, but if you are The Rock, then get in touch with me and I'll send you the code on Telegram and then send you out all of this lovely stuff, plus also the poster, which you can't see because it's not been printed yet, because this is only the first and we haven't got that done yet. So let's now pick another winner. If we need to do that again, here we go, random picker, and we've got Moocharoo. It's me. I can't win, that's not fair. Wouldn't have to send that very far. Here we go, we got Bruno DeGama, a master ninja, I suspect. He says, great video again, Ben. I do believe there are massive gains to be made in the crypto space right now. I think Link, BAT, Engine Coin, and probably NG, and good bets. Yeah, basic attention token, awesome coin. You would have seen on the Master Ninja signals just yesterday or the day before, came through to sell 50 of those. Excellent signals there on the Master Ninja signals to sell BAT, because if you didn't already know, BAT has gone down a bit since then, so it would have been great, perfect time to sell. I love those signals, and what we've got coming out in Moocharoo Ninja 2.0 is just so much better. We're tracking lots more cryptocurrencies, plus also some other things as well besides crypto. So really looking forward to that, where we're going to be going over the next year. Of course, that is it for us here in this office. So in the next video, we're going to be in a whole new location. Really looking forward to that. Do let me know in the comments below what it is that you're going to be having as your New Year's resolution, your goals for the year, what you're looking to achieve from cryptocurrency or just weight loss or whatever it is that you're looking to do. Let me know in the comments below. It'd be great. Love to hear from you. And I shall see you again in the new office next week. I shall see you then.